This is part 3 of the playground slide project. If you haven't watched part 2, please do that first. Let's click on our assembly studio. You'll see that it looks different from a part studio. Let's start our assembly by clicking Insert in the top left corner. Select the slide, then click within the studio to place it. Now, select the ladder bar and click to place it well below and to the left of the slide. Click the green check mark for now. In an assembly, parts come together with mates. You identify the locations you want to connect by clicking on Mate Connectors, and the type of mate controls the freedom with which the parts move. In this assembly, we'll use the Fasten mate. With this mate, parts have no freedom to move, which means they are fixed in place. Find it at the top and click to make it active. Now we have to choose our mate connectors. Zoom in on the top of the ladder bar to see it better. We want our ladder bar to be aligned under our slide. Hover over the center of the top face of the bar as reference, then go to the bottom left corner and click on the mate connector. Make sure the mate connector is flat to the face. Now zoom out, right-click on your mouse, hold, and slowly rotate until you see the bottom face of the slide. Go to the top left corner and click on the mate connector, then click the green check mark. Let's go to isometric view to see what happened. You'll see that the two parts have been joined, and that the first part you click on is the one that moves. We have one side of our ladder, and now we need rungs. X out the Fasten mate, then go to Insert. Click on Ladder Rung, then move it far away from your slide. Click on Ladder Rung again to get a second one, and place it near the first. We want a total of 6. Click the green check mark when you've got all of them. Click the Fasten mate from the top to make it active again. We want the side of our rungs to be fastened to where our holes are on the ladder. Right-click on your mouse, hold down, and rotate around until you can properly see the rungs. Click on the circular face of the topmost rung as the first mate connector. Then rotate back around to the open side of the ladder and click on the location of the topmost hole as the second mate connector. Zoom in a bit if you can't get a hold of it. Click the green check mark when you've done that. Now, let's repeat the process for the other 5 rungs. This is a bit tricky, so don't be afraid to Ctrl Z and try the mate again if it doesn't work at first. Once you're done, X out of the Fasten mate and change your view to isometric. You'll see that we're almost done. To finish up, click Insert at the top, insert another ladder bar, then place it far away below and to the right of the slide and click the green check mark. We again want this bar to be aligned under the slide. Click the Fasten mate from the top to make it active. Zoom in close to the top face of your bar and select the bottom right corner as the mate connector. Zoom out. Rotate around to the bottom face of the slide, then select the top right corner as the mate connector. Click the green check mark. X out of the Fasten mate and change your view to isometric. Our slide is finished and it's looking beautiful. I hope you're proud of what you've made, and thanks for sticking with us through this project.